Importance of English. English is one of the most important languages in the modern world, and it plays a central role in our daily life. In fact, it has become a global language because people from different countries use it to communicate with each other. For example, a person from India and a person from Japan may not understand each other's native language, but they can easily talk in English. This shows that English is a bridge that connects people across cultures, countries, and traditions. Without English, it would be very difficult to share ideas, knowledge, or technology with the world. English is also the main language of education and research. Most universities, scientific journals, and online courses are available in English. Students who know English can study subjects like science, technology, medicine, or history in a better way because they have access to more books and study material. Even when we use the internet, most websites and applications are in English. If we do not know English, we miss a big opportunity to learn from the world's knowledge. In the professional world, English is equally important. Many companies prefer employees who can read, write, and speak English fluently. A person with good English skills has more chances of getting a job, working in international companies, and earning a higher salary. Even simple office tasks like writing emails, attending meetings, or making presentations often require English. This is why young people are focusing more on learning English to build a successful career. Apart from studies and jobs, English also adds value to our personal life. It allows us to enjoy movies, music, and books from different countries without depending on translations. When we travel to new places, English helps us communicate with local people, ask for directions, or order food. It makes traveling more enjoyable and comfortable. Moreover, English gives us confidence to talk with people from different backgrounds. This confidence can open doors to friendship, teamwork, and cultural exchange. Most importantly, English is not just a language we study in school. It is a skill for the future. The world is changing very fast, and technology is bringing people closer. In this global society, the one who knows English will always have an advantage. Learning English is like carrying a passport that allows entry into the world of knowledge, culture, and opportunities. That is why English is often called the key to success. In conclusion, English is much more than a subject we study in school. It is a tool that shapes our education, career, travel, and personal growth. Without English, we may feel limited and disconnected. But with English, we can connect, grow, and move forward. For every learner, English is an investment that gives lifelong benefits. Learning English step by step. Learning English may look difficult in the beginning, but if we follow small steps every day, it becomes easier and enjoyable. Many people think that they must become fluent quickly. But the truth is that learning a language is a journey. Just like a child learns to walk slowly, an English learner must also take one step at a time. The key is not to rush, but to practice regularly and build confidence. The first step is to develop a strong vocabulary. Every learner should try to learn at least 5 new words each day. These words can be written in a small notebook or saved on a mobile phone. For example, if you learn the words beautiful, helpful, important, future, and success, you can use them in simple sentences like "This book is beautiful" or "English is important for my future success." By using new words daily, the brain remembers them for a long time. The second step is to practice speaking in simple sentences. Many learners feel shy or afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. At first, one can start with small sentences like "I am hungry," "I am going to the market," or "This is my friend." Slowly, these small sentences turn into longer conversations. Speaking in front of a mirror or talking to a friend in English for 5 minutes daily can improve confidence. The third step is listening practice. Our ears learn faster than our eyes. That is why listening to English songs, short stories, or simple conversations is very useful. Beginners can start with children's stories or slow English podcasts. When you listen, try to repeat the words and copy the pronunciation. This habit makes your accent clear and natural. The fourth step is reading. Reading simple English books, newspapers, or articles online improves both vocabulary and understanding. At first, learners should read short and easy stories. Later, they can try bigger books or motivational articles. Reading not only teaches new words, but also shows how to use grammar correctly in sentences. The fifth step is writing practice. Even writing a small diary entry in English every day can bring big improvement. For example, write 2 or 3 sentences like, "Today I woke up early, I went to the park, I met my friend." Over time, learners can write longer paragraphs about their day, their dreams, or their goals. Writing helps to organize thoughts in English and strengthens memory. Finally, the most important step is consistency. English cannot be learnt in one day or one month. It takes regular effort and patience. Even 15 to 20 minutes daily is better than studying for hours only once a week. Learners must believe that slow progress is still progress. With time, all the small steps add up and English becomes natural. In conclusion, learning English step by step is like climbing a ladder. Each step may look small, but together they take us to the top. By learning words daily, practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing, anyone can become confident in English. The secret is simple: practice every day, don't fear mistakes, and keep moving forward. One day, without even realizing it, you will speak English easily and fluently.